We gotta talk
hear
about
that?
ourselves.
Did you hear that?
No. What was that?
Go by the door, bro.
What is up, YouTube? My name is Chris.
Anthony.
And this is our first ever video. So, essentially, we're musicians. You know, this is our first time YouTubing. We're gonna be posting a lot of our music and stuff. We play a lot of metal. We do a lot of rap stuff. You're just gonna be seeing so much exploration videos. You're gonna be seeing just
Covers if you want them, anything.
Yeah.
Whatever you guys want us to do, we will do it.
Just make sure you like, subscribe to us, give us some support. We got some tunnels to explore down here. It's gonna be creepy, it's fucking cold, it's getting dark out.
Just us, we have only flashlights on our phone, nothing else.
We don't even have fucking flashlights. Like, support us, like, subscribe so we can get some fucking flashlights. Tell us where we are right now.
It's pretty much just a old terracotta factory. Lots of graffiti. Secret locations. About to go into a creepy abandoned terracotta factory. The only hint we're gonna give you to where this spot is, if you could take a video and show us this exact footage, the marker.
See it. Maglio knows a little bit more about this place than I do. I've never been here. This is our first video. Obviously, this is probably like my first time even doing something like this. So I'm excited. I see it right now.
This is a secret graffiti spot in the middle of nowhere. As you can see, we're just in the middle of the woods. Nothing. We were here probably with like 3-4 people, and there was a noose on the other side of this place, but enough of that for now.
Wow.
Got some deer over there. You can see their little tails. And this is the spot.
Alright, let's post up. Is that the tunnel?
One of them. This place is full of tunnels. It's pretty cool. Got some fresh graffiti too. Somebody's definitely been out here recently.
Yeah.
Me and my friends went in this tunnel right underneath our feet, actually. You can see the entrance is right there. There's a bigger tunnel.
This place is just, it's a little creepy.
Bro, Chris, you want to go in there?
Hold on. Bro, are we really about to go in these?
This is the one we went. This one goes back 4.
Dude, this one looks, I want to go in this one. That one's...
Supposedly some of these tunnels are haunted. Who knows? Chris's first time out here. I've been here a few times. As you can see, there's just like these crazy. I mean, we can go in this one if you guys want right
There's
now.
a whole bunch of tunnels.
So you know it's live. I mean, anybody could be in one of these fucking things. I mean, it's just pitch black.
Bro. We gotta talk
Hear
about
that?
ourselves.
Did you hear that?
No. What was that?
Go by the door, bro.
Nah, bro.
Yeah, we'll be going in these tunnels. We're just kind of searching it out real quick. I mean, doesn't seem like there's anybody around.
My iPod's actually about to die. It's on 20%.
Running low on light too. So it's gonna be completely pitch black in there. You got some cool fucking,
Oh, dude.
some creepy stuff.
This is creepy.
This side I know has some wild graffiti.
Actually, dude, you don't know how happy this. Dude, look at all those caps. There's like just a load of caps over there. The fucking Nazi symbols.
Not a good sign.
Dude, the monster. I didn't even see that.
We're freaking out here right now.
Dude, this
pretty
place
windy.
is so creepy.
Tell me how last time we got snow was probably like a week or two ago. It's been hot as balls, yet this is the only place. Sorry for the audio issues as well. We don't have a mic yet.
Yeah, help us, support us, like, subscribe, let us get a mic, let's keep making videos. This place is just beautiful though. I mean, as creepy as it is, it's just, we're the only ones out here as far as we know.
So we were just walking up and it looks like somebody was digging here. Got some clothes. So who knows? Could be a murder victim. I mean, we are in the middle of nowhere.
Look,
Ew.
bro. There's people, bro. Are they coming this way? Come on.
Chill, my car's that way, dude.
I know.
Unless we could sneak up. We're gonna try to sneak up on these people.
There's
because
people that just came. That
we kind of got to be quiet. There's a squad of 4 and we don't even know what those people are about or anything. So we're gonna try to sneak around. We might have to postpone the tunnel video, but this might turn into something else because it's just me and Chris. Like,
we're walking through all these sticks right now. If you can get our first video to 500 likes, we'll come back here and explore these tunnels. We don't know what these people are about. We don't know if they saw us. We saw them. They could have seen us. We were out in the open, but
all right.
Who knows what they're here to do? They could be doing the same thing we're doing.
All right. This is piney territory, and those people kind of are a rare breed. So we're gonna try to.
We know that they're not cops.
We're gonna try to sneak around. They're definitely not cops. It's just 4 people in black sweatshirts. We don't know if they're males or females. So we're gonna try to,
We're just not trying to die.
Alright, Chris, we gotta be quiet. I'll video the whole thing.
We gotta find the train tracks.
We're on the right way.
I think it's still too close to this place. But we gotta get over here. I'm not trying. Who knows what they're about, dude? I don't wanna. There's no one out here, bro. I barely even have cell phone service.
Those people
They probably saw your car and stopped to see. Or they could just be hanging out, who knows? The place is over there. These people, we don't know who these people are, what they're about. We don't even know if they saw us. We know that we saw them. There's only 2 of us, there's 4 of them. We're out in the middle of nowhere. We have like no cell phone service. We're trying to find our way back to the train tracks. Please, as our first video, man, smash the like button, subscribe, support us, and we'll keep doing crazy shit like this. We'll come out here, and because we really want to come out and explore these tunnels. We just don't know who these people are.
We could do some recon. So right now we're pretty much just doing, we took a different way. The building and the people are that way.
We're trying to go out this way. That's where the train tracks are. That's where our car is. We're actually trying to see what their car is. This is actually very sketchy. We're fucking just walking through the woods right now, trying to find the fucking train tracks to the road. There's literally nobody out here for like at least a couple miles. The last house was like at least 2 miles back. Like, there's nobody out here. So I don't know how I guess these people just came at the same time we did. I mean, according to him, it is a pretty popular location around here. It seems like one of the only places like this around here.
So update, we see the train tracks, we could hear the people, so we're gonna try to wait it out. We're gonna see what they're driving, because if it's like a sketchy ass car, we're definitely not even gonna. It doesn't look like they followed us. I don't see them because there's bushes, but I could definitely hear a group of people. So we're gonna keep pushing on and try to get to the car, because once we get to the car, we're pretty much gold. But we don't want to be seen if it's like a bunch of people that are like, because this is a sketchy spot. Anything could go on. I see their vehicle. That's my car. I see my car. I don't know if you guys could see it.
Yeah.
All the way over there is my car.
We don't even know where these guys are.
We don't even know where these people parked.
We're just glad we made it to the tracks.
We got out.
We're walking through these fucking sticks.
Yeah, we're literally walking through fucking deer trails. But once
we
again,
gotta actually bleep out the F words.
Yeah.
YouTube is apparently family friendly now.
Alright, so
we apologize for any cursing, but we'll bleep it out.
up to date, back at the tracks. We're gonna try to post up, I guess, for a little bit and see if these people stay or leave. If they stay, we're gonna try to get a little bit closer, maybe do some spying, see what they're up to. They might be cool. They could be fucking hillbillies that are gonna chop our heads off. Who knows? So it's best that we don't even try to play with it. I mean, they're probably locals just like us, but we're gonna go check on my car. We know if my car is messed up or vandalized, then they're not pretty friendly people. So then I think at that point we're just gonna. I see multiple cars.
So we really want to go into the tunnels. There's a car.
Alright, so we're gonna push. We're moving up to the track. And once again, these wood.
I think I see their car back there. I just don't want to run into
No,
them.
we got multiple cars.
At least your car is right there. Is it multiple? What is up, YouTube? We really hope you enjoyed that video. Please like, please subscribe. Unfortunately, we couldn't go to the tunnels because there were people that showed up and we just didn't want to trust it. But if you like this video, we'll go back, we'll do the whole 9 yards. And yeah, and just if you want to post in the comments, just tell us places that we should go. We're from the Jersey area. We really want to hit Clinton Road. We really want to hit the Devil's Tree. We just want to start going to all these places. So if you can, you know, even just haunted roads, any places that are abandoned, just let us know. Any music that you might want to hear in the future, just keep, you know, posted on that. We got everything in the works, and yeah, just